Hello, good morning to all. I'm Nikhat Fatima from GG College Nizamabad. Today we are going to learn how to write scientific papers or articles. Writing of scientific papers and or articles. A scientific research paper provides a method for scientists to communicate the result of their research to their peers. The results are presented in an orderly and logical manner. Standard format is used for writing scientific papers or articles. Now we will see that format, how to write scientific papers. First should be title, then author, then abstract, then go for introduction, then materials and methods, then results, then tables and graphs. After the discussion, acknowledgements, and at last references. What is a title? A scientific paper must have a specific title descriptive enough to be appropriately comprehended by the intended audience. A scientific paper must have a specific title descriptive enough to be appropriately comprehended by the intended audience. And author, the person who writes the paper in the first. Author and others who have made substantial contributions are listed as co-authors. And abstract, an abstract or summary gives readers a preview of what is to come. It should be one paragraph of about 100 to 250 words which summarizes the purpose, methods, results and conclusion of the paper. Do not use abbreviations or citations in the abstract. It should be able to stand alone without any footnotes. Now, introduction. Introduction deals with the specific question that the author asks in the experiment. And materials and methods, it deals with how the author answered the specific question in the paper. Diagrams, flowcharts or tables can be made use of wherever necessary. All relevant ethical considerations must also be mentioned in materials and methods. Now, results. It summarizes your findings in this section. Now, tables and graphs. These must be presented properly and only if required. Discussion. Next is discussion. The most significant results are highlighted here. Now we'll see what is acknowledgements. All those who helped the author with the experiment and made important contributions are thanked. And the last is references. Within the main body of the paper, citations are made in appropriate places. In the references section, the citations are listed in alphabetical order. Among scientific journals, the International Journal of Modeling, Simulation, and Scientific Computing stands apart. Several model scientific papers are available on www.worldscientific.com or World Scinet. So this is how we write scientific papers or articles. Thank you.